Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the ultimate crime against subtlety. If you thought you'd seen the worst that luxury excess had to offer, think again. Because Mansory, yes, the same guys who once put carbon fiber on a carbon fiber wheel, just cashed in their last ounce of good taste and sent it straight to jail without passing go. Introducing the Mansory art piece, AL3C MONO907Y. 10 of these will roam the streets. That's right, this isn't a one-off disaster. It's a series, a limited edition nightmare. And it's brought to you by the unholy alliance of aftermarket insanity and the Monopoly man himself, Alec Monopoly, who apparently thought the G-Class needed more chaos and a top hat. Imagine taking a Mercedes-AMG G63 and saying, "Hey, what if we cut the roof off, gave it suicide doors, and made it look like a Comic-Con cosplay for millionaires?" That's exactly what happened. This thing doesn't just turn heads, it dislocates necks. The wheelbase is shorter, the roof is electric, and there's more forged carbon here than sense. Even the brake calipers are color-coded like a pack of Skittles. This isn't a car, it's a rolling fashion tantrum. Step inside and be blinded by a tsunami of branded leather, ceiling-mounted switchgear, because drama is a lifestyle, and carbon fiber everything. Alec Monopoly personally designed the trim, which is a fancy way of saying, brace yourself for artistic whiplash. Under the hood? Oh, you better believe it's loud. They took the already beastly 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and gave it more steroids than a 90s action hero. We're talking 809 horsepower, 848 pound-feet of torque, and a 0 to 62 time of just 3.9 seconds. Because if you're going to be this obnoxious, you might as well disappear quickly. Of course, price hasn't been revealed. But if you have to ask, you clearly don't own a yacht named after yourself. Expect it to be north of $500,000. Not Monopoly money, though you might wish it was. Because this SUV isn't about driving, it's about being seen. And if this is what peak automotive culture looks like, maybe it's time to fold the board and flip the table. This, my friends, is not a car. It's a midlife crisis on four 24-inch wheels.